Hello, this is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video, I will show you how to make mini Nutella croissants. Here is my recipe, and these are the ingredients. You will need 3 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of sunflower oil, 1 cup of whole milk, the zest of 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of Nutella for the filling, 1 cup of granulated sugar for coating. This is the procedure. Add the eggs into your stand mixer bowl, add the sugar and attach the paddle. Beat on medium speed until combined. Add the oil and the milk. Add the orange zest and vanilla extract. Add half of the flour in gradually. Beat on low speed. Add the baking powder and continue adding the remaining flour. Once the batter begins to thicken, remove the paddle and scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. Attach the hook. Continue beating and adding the flour. Scrape the bowl as needed. Beat on medium speed for 5 to 8 minutes. The dough is ready once it wraps itself around the hook. It should not be sticky to the touch. Add more flour if the dough is sticky. Add 1 tablespoon at a time. Line 3 15 by 21 inch trays with parchment paper. Transfer the dough onto your floured surface. Sprinkle flour on the dough and knead for about 5 minutes. Sprinkle more flour if the dough sticks to your hands. Knead the dough until it's silky and smooth. Shape it into a ball. The dough should not stick to your finger. Divide the dough in half and then in 4 equal parts. Cover the 3 parts with a bowl so that the dough doesn't dry up. Sprinkle flour on your work surface and on the dough. Flatten it out a little with your fingers and then roll it out and shape it into a 10 by 13 inch rectangle. Use a pastry cutter to shape the rectangle. Cut the rectangle in half with a pizza cutter. Cut 10 triangles and then cut 10 more. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the Nutella on the triangles. Avoid spreading it close to the edges. Roll the triangles, gently stretching the dough, placing the tip underneath. Curve the ends and coat with sugar. Place onto your lined tray with the tip underneath. Repeat with the remaining triangles. Place the croissant 1 inch apart on the tray. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 pieces of dough. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes on bottom oven rack. Bake the 2 remaining trays with the Mini Nutella Croissant. This recipe produces 80 Mini Nutella Croissants. These delightful cookies can be stored at room temperature in an airtight container for 3 days. They can be frozen for 1 month. Enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next time.